Hello everybody and welcome back to BrickCat. Today we will be looking at another one of my own creations here. This is a black Technic plane designed by me and the air traffic control tower. Quite simple to build, just using all the old Lego Technics. What are you doing, Jasper? What's going on? Okay, so we've got wing designs here. So you just got to use some of these wing pieces, slope pieces, wing pieces there, just kind of point it in on both sides. And we've got this frame in the cockpit, in this section at the front. We've got an axle through the whole plane, goes through the whole plane and out the back, so you can spin it. See, spin it from the back. Works. I've got a simple design here using just some yellow wall pieces I've got from an old set. Used panels here. Just to build a simple shape. And then on the back here, Jasper, just attached one there. Just made a frame and attached this very loosely in. Use some of these pieces to add detail. That's the plane mainly. It's quite a simple build, quite a quick episode today. Big Jasper, being always naughty. So a quick episode today, not long. Next week we've got a custom C model for the Lego 40th anniversary blue truck I showed a few episodes ago. It's a custom C model I've created, and I'm really excited to share that with you, so please stick around to watch that next episode. I hope you enjoyed this plane. I hope you can try and build one for yourself, just using the old Lego Technic pieces. Build up that rough shape there, have a look at that. And we've got wheels attached. Like that. Just want to show you everything you need to try and build this for yourself. It's an awesome build, really fun. And then simple control tower. You can also build yourself a hangar if you want. You could do it, build a runway. There's so much stuff you could do with this. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you next time in 2 weeks, next Monday. Thank you for watching. Bye.